As barricades are being removed, PKU leader Rakesh Tikait has threatened another march of farmers towards the parliament, saying tractors will move towards the capital.
वो दीवार हटा रहे, जो उन्होंने दीवार छीनी थी वो हटा रहे, और रास्ते खुलेंगे भाई। हम भी अपनी फसल बेचने पार्लियामेंट पर जाएंगे, रास्ते खुलेंगे तो जाएंगे हम भी। और संयुक्त मोर्चा क्या फैसला करेगा उस पर करेंगे। रास्ते तो खुलने ही चाह। हम भी तो 11 महीने से बैठे के, हमें दिल्ली जाना था, नहीं जाने दिया। फसल बेचेंगे अपनी, हमारे ट्रैक्टर जाएंगे पहले दिल्ली, हम भी दिल्ली चलेंगे अपने ताम झाम लेके। कोई हार जीत किसी की नहीं, रास्ते की थोड़ा हमारी कोई लड़ाई है। हमारी लड़ाई है 3 काले कानून की।
Let me bring in my colleagues. Anshul is joining us live from the Ghazipur border. Anvit is reporting from the Tikri border. Good morning to both of you. Anshul, let me come to you first. Even as, we're seeing barricades being removed and could see some sort of semblance coming back as far as the flow of traffic is concerned. There's another threat that's come in from Rakesh Tikait, who said the tractors will once again move towards the national capital. Fair to then say that it doesn't look like that things have changed pretty much from what it was a year ago?
Definitely. I also got a chance to talk to Sayukt Kisan Morcha this morning, where they said that they have not reached any amicable solution with the administration yet, and the procedure of removing barricades is absolutely a one-sided decision which has been taken by the administration. I like to show you around in the visuals currently at the Ghazipur border. The procedure of moving these barricades are on, and it is expected that in the next 2 hours the road will be open for normal traffic. I got a chance to speak to the DCP over here, and she very clearly said that all these barricades will be removed and the traffic will be allowed to move. Whereas the farmers are still saying that they have not reached an amicable solution with the administration. It remains to be seen if the law and order situation will be maintained over here. Mind you, these are the barricades that were placed on top of on the elevated corridor here at Ghazipur, whereas the main barricades which were down are still in place. I like to show you in the visuals that these barricades these are still in place, and this is the service road that leads from Ghazipur to Delhi. Mind you, last week we saw visuals from Ghazipur where there were a few disturbances and the farmers tried to remove the barricades. This is the same location from where the farmers removed the barricades on their side, whereas the police barricades are still on at in the service road, whereas on the main highway the barricades are being removed. And this definitely comes as a good news for locals who are staying nearby, because they were all very tense about the situation that was going on here, as they had to cover a huge lot of ground to reach their homes and offices from here. So yes, good news for the locals here, but it remains to be seen if law and order will still be maintained, since Rakesh Tikait has just now said that they'll again try and march to Delhi with the tractors and sell their crops in Delhi. Ridhima.
Okay, let me come to Anvit now. Anvit, just give us a sense around you. What is the kind of clearance that's taken place? How many barricades were there earlier, and what does the situation look like now?
Yeah, Rizma, we are reporting from Tikri border. As you can see behind me, the barricades on one carriageway, all the cement boulders and barbed wires and barricades have been removed from one carriageway. The other carriageway, however, still remains barricaded, and the force has also been increased since last night. Now this one carriageway is being opened. This carriageway also has metro stations along the side. As you can see, petrol pumps are there, shops are there on both sides, which have been shut for over a year now. People and locals have been facing financial problems. Their businesses have been completely shut down last year when the farmers came and held ground here. We have spoken to some locals. They have been saying that they are very happy with this move. They are joyous that their business will once again be on track, because earnings had been really low, in fact zero, because shops have been shut since then. We also spoke to some senior police officials, and they have said that they have removed the barricades from their side.
Okay.
Now it's upon the Haryana administration to remove these remaining barricades, because on the other side of the barricades are the farmers. They are, as you can listen to the music, they are still playing. They are still already almost there, and behind the barricade the farmers are holding the ground. Now the area that you can see has been cleared up comes under Delhi, and Delhi police have said that they have cleared their side. Now it's upon the Haryana administration to clear the remaining barricades and open this carriageway for locals and for the traffic. to resume.
Okay, I'll request both my colleagues to stay on with us. We also have farmer leader Dushyant Nagar and from the BJP we have Narendra Taneja. Good morning to both of you. दुष्यंत जी, मैं पहले आपके पास आना चाहूँगी. अब हम जिस तरह की तस्वीरें देख रहे हैं, बॉर्डर्स खुलना शुरू हो गए हैं, बैरिकेड्स हटाए जा रहे हैं. मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ, किसानों और गवर्नमेंट के बीच में क्या कोई रेजोल्यूशन है, क्या स्थिति है?
देखिए, रास्ता रोकने का काम दिल्ली की पुलिस ने किया है, केंद्र की सरकार के इशारे पे किया गया है. लोगों को जो असुविधा की बात चल रही है, उसके लिए पूर्ण रूप से सरकार जिम्मेवार है. बैरिकेड्स तो किसानों ने नहीं लगाए और ना किसान यहाँ धरना करना चाहते थे. किसान तो पार्लियामेंट के बाहर जंतर मंतर पे रामलीला मैदान में दिल्ली पुलिस के साथ बातचीत करके आगे आना चाहते थे. लेकिन पूरे किसानों की छवि को खराब करने के लिए, मुख्य मुद्दों से ध्यान डाइवर्ट करने के लिए ये ब्लॉकेज दिल्ली पुलिस के द्वारा किया गया. पूरी दिल्ली पुलिस का तो डिसीजन हो नहीं सकता है, पॉलिटिकल डिसीजन होगा, राजनीतिक रूप से लिया गया है. और मैं बिल्कुल, आप इसका स्वागत करेंगे कि आप बैरिकेड्स हटा दीजिए. जो लोगों को असुविधा हो रही है आने जाने में, वो नहीं होनी चाहिए. रही बात किसानों के धरने की, किसानों का धरना चल रहा है. जब तक सरकार किसानों को अनुमति नहीं देगी, परमिशन नहीं देगी जंतर मंतर पे करने के लिए या वैकल्पिक स्थान पार्लियामेंट के आसपास, जहां से अपने मूवमेंट को, अपनी मांगों को, अपनी समस्याओं को हम लोगों के सामने उठा सकें, तब तक धरना जहां पे यहाँ पे चलता रहेगा.
अच्छा, दुष्यंत जी बने रहिए. I want to bring in Narendra Taneja in the conversation. Mr. Taneja, if you heard what Dushyant Nagar is saying, he is saying it was never the idea of the farmers or the protesting Kisan Union leaders to put these barricades and these blockades. It's only an image that the politicians are trying to create to show the farmers in a bad light. This was done by politicians. How would you want to respond to that?
No, you see, first is a blockage. They called it blockage. That was announced by the Farmers Union. They say we block this road, that road. We will block entry to Delhi. We will block entry to Parliament. They have been saying it. You just have to dig into archives, and you will get quotes and unquotes, from the leader. But that said, at the same time, decisions where there should be a barricade or what should be the action, that's a law and order issue. That is taken by police officers and district administration in that particular area. That's not something that the gentleman just alleged that he is the directors of the central government or all that. The government doesn't get involved in these things. The government has better things to do. The point is, these are decisions taken by the local administration, whether in Delhi or in Pondicherry or in any other part of the country. Those are local decisions. But at the same time, everybody knows the farmers of India. They know it very well that how much BJP has done for the farmers. Since we came to power, what we have done in this short period of 7 years for the farmers, other parties could not do in the last 70 years. And farmers know. That's why you see farmers in most parts of the country, they are very happy and satisfied with the government. Even around Delhi, yes, there is a small section, and there is also a lot of politicians in that. People just wait for a few months, they are all going to fight elections. You will find them contesting elections. So there are people with political ambition, and nothing wrong with it in democracy. I mean, if that's there, they want to use this route. But the point is that as far as the farmers are concerned, government knows the farmer. The government has done a lot for the farmers, and BJP is a party of the farmers, by the farmers, and for the farmers.
Okay. I'll have to leave this conversation there. I'd like to thank my guests. We have to now cut across to Goa to listen to Mamta